In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone notifications not showing or working. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, open Control Center and turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off. Next, make sure Do Not Disturb or Never Focus mode isn't enabled. And once all of that is done, go to the Settings app and scroll down into the option for notifications. Go ahead and select the app having the problem. Let's say it is Gmail, for example. But make sure that the Allow Notifications toggle is turned on. You can also turn off Scheduled Summary, which is in the notification settings itself, if notifications are being delayed. And if that doesn't work, go back to the main settings page, go to General right here, and then go to Background App Refresh, and make sure it's enabled for the affected app. You can also try turning off low power mode by going to the Battery tab here in the main page, scrolling down to Power Mode, and turning off low power mode. If one specific app is having problems, go ahead and open the App Store and go to your profile and tap App Updates, and go ahead and update the app if it shows up here. You can also try deleting and reinstalling the app, but next restart your iPhone and check for an update under Main Settings page and General, where it says Software Update. And if all of these steps fail, the last thing you can try is going down on the General tab to transfer or reset iPhone. Press Reset and press Reset All Settings. This won't delete your personal data, but it will reset system settings. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.